In this video, we'll do the derivative of x to the x times the inverse tangent of 1 over x quantity squared. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Okay, so let's first do the derivative of x to the x. Now, how do we do this? So let's look at this x as x equals e to the ln of x, because you know e and ln will cancel, so this will be the derivative of e to the ln of x. We will replace for x all raised to the x power. So this would be the derivative of e to the x times ln x, because you multiply the powers in. And we all know the derivative of e to the something is e to the something, so that's e to the x ln x times the derivative of the inside with respect to x. So this will be a product rule, so we do the first times the derivative of the second. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So we do the first, or we do the second, ln x times the derivative of the first. So the derivative of x with respect to x, just 1. Okay, what is this? This is x to the x, because that's rewritten. All multiplied by x over x will cancel, leaving us with 1 plus ln x. So that will be the derivative of x to the x. Okay, so now let's do the derivative of the inverse tangent of 1 over x quantity squared. Okay, so you can think of the inside as the function u. So the derivative of u squared with respect to u is 2u. So that's 2 times the inverse tangent of 1 over x times the derivative of inverse tangent x. The derivative of the inverse tangent of 1 over x. Okay, so how do we do this? So the derivative of the inverse tangent of u is 1 over 1 plus u squared times the derivative of the inside again. So that would be negative 1 over x squared. Now we know that 1 over x quantity squared is the same thing as 1 over x squared, because 1 squared is just 1. Okay. You can use this in parentheses, so now this will be negative 1 on the top all over. X squared times 1 is x squared. X squared times 1 over x squared is 1. So the derivative with respect to x of the inverse tangent of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared plus 1. Okay, good. So this, in total, this will be negative 2 inverse tangent of 1 over x all over 1 plus x squared. Okay, so now we're going to do the derivative of this. So this will be, so we have, let's look at the second function first. So we have the inverse tangent of 1 over x quantity squared times the derivative of x to the x. So we know that's x to the x times 1 plus ln x. And now we'll have plus the first function, which is x to the x, times the derivative of this. So we just found out it's minus 2. So we can write the minus 2 in the front. So we have minus 2 times inverse tangent of 1 over x all over 1 plus x squared. And that is the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and thanks for watching.